Hari Om. Welcome to Aniruddha's Creative Learners YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use gradients in Pixel Lab mobile app. Same tutorial can be applied while using Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. We have opened Pixel Lab mobile app. Now we will add shape to it. In the options, we can see gradient option. Click on the gradient option. Click on this add. By default, this gradient is applied. If you click on the OK, we can see this gradient is applied. Gradient means a range of colors, a shade of color with a blend in it. We can see dark, black, gray and light gray. This shade is there in this. We want to change this shade into a better bright looking gradient. Click on this plus symbol. Now we can see in this gradient panel we are having different options here. When we click this option, a different gradient style is applied. Once we click on this is a light color in the center and it is a circular gradient. This is a linear gradient. We will see how does this circular gradient look. Click on this, click OK. So it is a light color in the center and in circular fashion it is dark color. Click on the plus. We can make changes in this particular pattern. We can move this point, we can move this point, we can move this handles also. When we move this handle from this point, this particular shade moves. Similarly, when we move this handle from this point, this shade moves toward this. We can add more handles by clicking on the plus symbol. So one more handle has come here. We can change the color of each and every handle by clicking on it and then clicking on this color symbol, a color fill color symbol. Click on this, click on color whichever you want. This is a hex code of that particular color. Click OK. Click OK. So we have added that green color here. Click on this plus sign. Similarly, we can make changes in this all these colors. Here we want little different color, light yellow color suppose. Click on this, click on this, click on yellow color. Here you can say which color is there and here you can say the code of the color. Click on the OK symbol. So we have added yellow. Here we want bluish color. So click on this color tool, take blue color. We can see this blue color is there. Make changes. This is a transparent panel. The color becomes transparent. This is the brightness panel. If you click on this, the color becomes dark shade, and this is the panel which can make the color light shade. So click on the OK panel, OK button. OK. Now we can see we have made a gradient over here, but it does not look that great. So what we will do is we will change this particular into a better looking gradient. We will delete this first. We'll add another shape. Click on the gradient. Click on plus. Now we will open a website called as UI Gradients. So this is the website uigradients.com, on which there are many gradients which are very helpful. Here if you click, you can see different gradients. Suppose this gradient's name is scooter. We want to use this gradient in our artwork. Then what we are going to do is, we can see the hex code of this side color and hex code of this side color. So we will tap on this. So as soon as we tap on this particular code, it gets copied on our clipboard. Now open the Pixel Lab, click on the gradients, click add. We want that color on this side, that means here. So tap here, click on plus sign, click on this color tool, then click on this particular edit icon, click here, paste that code which we have copied, then you click here and then click OK. So we can see that particular color has come in our panel. Click on OK. So now which color we want here? The other color. So we will tap on this, we will tap on colors, and then we will tap on this. Here we are going to paste the other code. So we have come to the website again. We will tap on this. As soon as we tap on this particular code, the code gets copied on our clipboard. Now we have come to Pixel Lab again. We will click on the other handle, click on the color tool, then click on this edit option, then click here, delete the previous code and copy the new code. Tick mark OK, 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 OK. This way we have used the hex code from the UI gradients panel, and we have created our new gradient for our own new design. This way you can create different gradients for your own self. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hari Om Shri Ram Ambadnya Nath Samved.